Understanding worm squirm, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and somewhat humorous phrase, worm squirm. This phrase isn't just about worms or squirming. It's a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of worm squirm. Worm squirm is not a commonly used idiom in English, but it's a phrase that vividly describes a situation or a feeling. The word worm refers to the small, elongated, soft-bodied invertebrates, and squirm means to twist the body from side to side with small, quick movements. When put together, worm squirm can be interpreted as describing someone who is feeling uncomfortable or in an awkward situation, making movements similar to a worm. It's important to note that this phrase is not a standard idiom and might be more of a creative expression. Since worm squirm is not a standard phrase, its usage is more fluid and open to creative interpretation. Here are a few examples of how it could be used in a sentence. During the interview, I felt like a worm squirm, constantly shifting in my seat. The little boy did a worm squirm when he had to apologize to his sister. In a room full of strangers, she felt like a worm squirm, uneasy and out of place. Notice how in each sentence, worm squirm is used to describe physical or emotional discomfort, akin to a worm's movement. This section can explore how English idioms often use vivid imagery and creative expressions to describe situations, feelings, or behaviors. While worm squirm is not a traditional idiom, it's a great example of how English speakers play with language to create expressive and colorful phrases. I hope this video has been enlightening and fun for you. Remember, the beauty of learning English lies in understanding and playing with its colorful expressions, even those as quirky as worm squirm. Keep exploring and enjoying the language. Until next time, happy learning!